Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install 3 apps and earn up to $1,280 easily. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chance of winning free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to the first app. Okay, family, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is Ad Wallet. So, on this website here, brands want your attention. Make them buy it. So, get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3. You just click right here to sign up, and as you can see over here, you can make up to $9. So the first thing you're going to do is watch a video. So you're going to receive a text that's handpicked just for you, and you're going to watch a little short video, and you're going to get rewarded. So you're going to earn up to 50 cents to $3 per interaction. And then you can make even more money. So you can earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer. Now, for you to cash out, you need to reach $10. Then you'll be able to cash out. And let me show you the cash out options. So here are the cash out options. So you got a debit card, Amazon gift card, Target, or you can just donate. This is what people are saying about this website. So this person right here named Angela said, I think everybody should have this on their phone. Now here are the frequently asked questions. I'm not going to go over them, guys, because since I have 2 other apps I want to go over, I don't want to make this video too long. So once you come to this website, you can read these frequently asked questions. So to get started, just go to adwallet.com, sign up, and start making this money. Now let me go to the second app. Okay guys, I'm at the second app. The name of this app is Cash Karma. So you're going to get free cash and gift cards. So you're going to earn rewards by completing surveys and more. The only reward app that lets you earn rewards even if you don't qualify for the survey. Install here and get 300 points right off the bat, guys. So you just click right here and it'll take you to the app. Now, redeem points. So you redeem points for PayPal cash, Amazon gift card, or Amazon gift card codes. And you're going to earn bonuses. So get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. Complete 5 offers, watch 25 videos, earn 8,000 points, guys. Then you can increase your reward level each time you earn an earnings badge. So that's a level 1 to 4. You can earn up to a 12.5% bonus each time you complete an offer. Now, that's all I'm going to say about this one, guys, because I have talked about this app before. It's a very simple app. Just complete some surveys, earn points, cash it out, get paid. So to get started with this one, just go to cashkarma.io. Now let me go to the last app. Okay guys, I'm at the last app and the name of it is Get Paid To. So on here, you're going to earn money every time you go online. So earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. You just click right here to get started. So they have surveys, you get paid for your opinion. You can play games, earn money that way. Quick points, so quick tasks for easy points. And offer walls, so you're going to be completing offers to make money that way also. Now how does it work? So you're going to do tasks, fill out surveys, watch videos, play games, and more. Earn points. 5,000 points equal $1, and get paid. Redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrency, or gift cards. And here are some of the free online games that you're going to be playing, like Knife Smash, Sweet Shuffle, Block Champ, and a lot more. And here are the high paid surveys, as you can see right here. Here are the offer walls. And here are the quick points. And here are your favorite cash out options: bank transfer, Skrill, Cryptocurrencies, Amazon.com, and PayPal. And they also have contests, as you can see right here. They got weekly top earners and weekly quick points. So you can go ahead and apply for these contests and win some money that way too. So that's all I'm going to say about this app, guys. So go ahead and go to getpaid2.com, sign up, and get started. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 20 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today in this video. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you for everything. I really appreciate you guys' support. Road to 8,000, let's get there. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.